is Oliver, and today I'm going to teach you how to interact with Arbitrum Mainnet using bridging layers. Today I'm going to show you the original bridging process using the official Arbitrum bridge. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to arbitrum.io. You want to make sure you bookmark this website and put it in a safe location, like in a folder where you're always going to have access to it later on if you're going to be highly active on the Arbitrum Mainnet. So I highly advise you to do that. So we're going to click on bridge, and we're going to connect our Brave wallet. I'm going to connect my account 1. Alright, so we're currently on the bridge, and we're going to just convert this. I'm going to do $50 worth of Ethereum. Alright, so we're currently on the Arbitrum bridge, so what I'm going to do is move over $50 worth of Ethereum from the layer 1 onto the Arbitrum One, which is layer 2. Now we're going to hit move funds to Arbitrum One, and we're going to switch our network onto our Brave wallet. Just review this real quick. And I submitted the transaction, so now it's currently pending. So as you can see our pending transaction in the pending transactions tab on the transaction history. So this is going to take about 15 minutes, so I'm going to cut this video out so we can move on to the next step. Alright, so it looked like everything has been settled, so we're going to head over to settled transactions. As you can see, our most recent, we can see our $50 worth of Ethereum. Everything has been successful merging over to the Arbitrum One. We are good to go. If it's not configured in your Brave browser, what you can do, go here to settings. We scroll down to wallet networks, and we can scroll down all the way, and we can see Arbitrum One right here. We could set this as a default. Every time you open up your Brave wallet, Arbitrum One is going to be the default layer 2 network. So we're going to go ahead and set this as default. If you need the configuration, you can hit the edit, and this is the configuration for Arbitrum One. You know, the network configuration is going to pop up. It's going to ask you to switch network. Once you switch it, then it's already configured. So interacting with Arbitrum One decentralized applications known as dApps, you just head over to Ecosystem, Arbitrum Portal. Alright, so looking at the Arbitrum portal, so this is where you can find different projects that's built on top of the layer 2 network. So we can click on home, and you want to bookmark this portal.arbitrum.io. If you want to use like GMX for futures trading, you have GMX right here ready to go, and pretty much launch the application. And I'm going to launch it, then connect my wallet. We're going to do MetaMask. We don't see Brave wallet yet. And then we're going to hit account 1, hit next. And here we are, and pretty much we can, you know, if you want to trade, look, now I have, you know, my $50 equivalent to the remaining balance that I had on here. You know, if I want to go long on Ethereum, I can just hit max, and, you know, I can change the leverage on, you know, on Ethereum, and I can trade, you know, I can go long on a trade if I wanted to, you know. But this is how you interact with dApps. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the likes and subscribe for more tutorial videos. And also, if you have any questions, join my Patreon community for free in the description as well. But until next time, this is Oliver, and I'm signing out.